Alright, so Samsung's just unveiled its latest smartwatches, and man, they couldn't be more different. On one hand, you've got the classy, polished Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. On the other, the tough-as-nails Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025. Two totally different vibes, but they're packing some seriously impressive stuff under the hood. Let's get the common ground out of the way first. Both watches are running on Samsung's new 3nm chip, paired with 2 gigs of RAM, which basically means everything runs buttery smooth. They're also rocking Wear OS with the latest One UI 8 and your guaranteed 4 big software updates. So, no worries about them feeling old anytime soon. And here's the real game changer. They're the first watches to come with built-in Gemini Eye. You can literally just talk to your wrist and have it do things like start workouts, read out your emails, and more. Totally hands-free. Older Galaxy watches will get this too, but these two are the first to launch with it. On the health side, it's packed. Heart rate, sleep, stress, the usuals are all here. But Samsung's gone a step further. Now you've got sleep apnea tracking, some wild stuff like vascular load info, antioxidant levels, and even a bedtime coach. Not exactly sure how that one works, but hey, it sounds helpful. The display's absolutely gorgeous. Super AMOLED with a ridiculous 3000 nits of brightness, plus sapphire glass means they can take a beating. Whether you're squinting in bright daylight or swimming laps, the screen stays crystal clear. GPS has also leveled up. Dual band tracking with L1 and L5 means it's super accurate, even if you're off the grid. So, whether you're trail running or lost in a concrete jungle, your watch knows where you are. Now, here's where the two watches start going their own ways. The Watch 8 Classic is for the style-forward crowd. That rotating bezel is back and feels so satisfying to use. It's stainless steel, looks sharp, and has that traditional wristwatch feel. You can easily wear this with a suit or at the gym, total chameleon. The Ultra, though, whole different beast. It's got a bigger screen wrapped in a lightweight titanium body that somehow feels more durable and lighter than the Classic. Built like a tank but doesn't weigh like one. Battery life is where the Ultra flexes hard. The Classic, you're getting a solid day and a half, maybe 2, but the Ultra, over 2.5 days and up to 100 hours if you flip on power saving. That's weekend trip freedom right there. The Ultra is also way more rugged. It's water resistant up to 100 meters and can handle super hot or freezing temps. So yeah, it's made for the wild. The Classic, great for the city, maybe not so much for a snowstorm or deep sea dive. Storage is the same for both 64 gigs, which is plenty for apps, music, podcasts, or whatever else you like keeping on your wrist. When it comes to connectivity, there's a slight difference. The Classic gives you the choice between Bluetooth or LTE. The Ultra, it's LTE only. Always ready to leave the phone behind. Button setup's different too. The Classic stays traditional with a home, back, and customizable button, plus that rotating bezel. The Ultra drops the bezel and adds a quick button you can program, which also doubles as an 86 decibel SOS siren. Super handy if you're, say, stuck on a mountain or lost in the woods. And the Ultra's got this new energy score thing that tells you how ready your body is to tackle the day. Like your own personal hype coach, powered by Galaxy Eye. So, what's the damage to your wallet? The Classic starts at $499 for Bluetooth, $549 for LTE. The Ultra? $650 flat, one version only. Bottom line, if you're into timeless style, love a classic wristwatch look, and want a feature-packed device that doesn't scream tech, then the Watch 8 Classic is probably your move. But if you're always out exploring, getting messy, or pushing limits, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025 was made for you. So, which team are you on? Classic or Ultra? Hit the comments and let me know. If this helped, drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Plenty more to come. Catch you soon.